G'day folks. Well, it's that time of the week again. As usual, no real videos during the week. I've been just busy with normal life. But it's that time again, and right now I'm just tidying up and testing and charging batteries actually. Got this little one out of one of those Chinese jump starter packs, which are pretty much useless. And I got a whole heap of other batteries from work, which were still pretty good when they were swapped out just as routine maintenance items. So I'm going to check them out. I think two of them are a bit sad, but two of them are really good. And Brad can have that pair. I've still got 3 good ones sitting around. Another one's on its way out though. So you can never have enough batteries. Yeah, not an awful lot going on. I want to do some more work on the bike. I started making that rubber protector down there. I've got to find some of my magic bag of asbestos to try and insulate it from the exhaust. Although there's not a lot of clearance between it and the exhaust pipes, so I'll probably end up just cutting that out. I would like to lag it in asbestos so it just doesn't burn the rubber, but nah, easier just to cut around it and deal with any mud that comes through. Finally got around to building this. This is going to help with the Westinghouse project. This is a DC speed controller. I don't have a step-by-step on it because all I really did was just mount up the DC Curtis controller and other stuff inside. I had to buy some new parts and repair the Curtis controller because that was stuffed. One of the guys at work threw it in the bin after pulling it to bits, and I managed to find all the parts. All that was wrong with it was that one of the, well, 3 of the 4 main DC capacitors had vibrated off the board and broken away. So the last capacitor just blew up and went open, and the Curtis controller died. So the repair technician just threw it in the bin and installed another one, charged the customer a handsome $1,000 or so, and sent them on their way. So that's all that's inside it. If this camera will focus. But yeah, 40 amp circuit breaker. I accidentally bought a C curve breaker instead of a D. C curves tend to trip out a little earlier on startup current, so if it does become a problem I'll just buy a D as well. Standard amp meter, you seem to use these on numerous projects. I think I've still got 1 left out of the 6 or 8 I got out of a semi-hermetic refrigeration control panel. Potentiometer, toggle switch from RS Components. This one's not spring loaded, so you can set it to forward and then crank the speed up and leave it. Standard plug. I just got to wire up some motor outputs and have the output coming out the top. Batteries go in the bottom, through the terminal strip to the controller, through amp meter and circuit breaker, and DC out's just going to go out here through a gland. Same cable, 2-core DC motor cable. Really straightforward. So that's that one done. That's going to help the Westinghouse as far as spinning the rotor as I polish the comm bars, or the armature I should say, and just do a test spin after I've assembled it. We'll drive it externally with an electric motor and just see how it goes, see how the brushes go. But that's the other key problem. I've got to mount the brushes insulated from the housing, and they've got square mounting posts. So I've got to make some rigid insulating sleeves to go over those posts. Otherwise they can burn through or short out to the posts and cause a rather nasty arc over. So it's one of the reasons why I haven't done much on it. I'm just limited with my insulation. Apart from that, not a lot. Diesel's still out here unfortunately. I should have brought it in over the weekend, or the week, because it got a bit rained on, but it's a diesel. It's gone through worse. Just going to cover that up again. The thing blew out of it. I had a rag in there. Still got front load washers to go. I'm pretty sure this recovery pump has a dead compressor, so since it's all full of burnt nasty oil and other crap, I might as well just autopsy it and get rid of it. All the electrics have been cut out and bypassed. The main board doesn't do anything. There's a point in here where they've just twitched all the wires together and just fed them 24 volts or 240. So it's been brutalised and mutilated. Yeah, still got 2 washers and a third one, because 3 is better than 2. So I'll get him off and clean him up. So LG. So with a bit of luck we'll have the trio of dancing washers. That and more batteries. And the Jag. I'll do a video on the Jag later. particularly when the weather gets better, I can get it out and clean it and make it rather nice. You've obviously, a lot of you would have seen the videos of me working on the Series 1, so there you have it. Charge meter's never worked since I've had this charger, but it's sort of there. I don't think this camera's been in 100% focus since I started. I might have to clean the lens. We'll see how this video turns out. Don't expect an awful lot as I do a bit more work throughout the week, but that's just how it goes. I've also got some more badly water damaged DC motors to pop. Like that one there, I think is a flood victim. Does not turn at all. I think none of them turn. That one there was a freshwater flood victim, but it's oh no, oil leakage. The gearbox has dumped oil all through the motor because it hangs upside down. And it usually results in a lot of heat and fire, and it burns up that PCB material that the brush boxes mount on, so they don't last long even if you do rebuild them. But yeah, that's very sad motors. We'll see how many of them we can pop. I might fix one up. I think my neighbour wants one to play with. I'll see if I can fix one and put that gearbox on it with a new seal. Or worm drive I should call it. So yes, lots of stuff to play with. Not enough time to do it. Thanks for watching, folks. Yeah, keep watching. I've got more DIY videos and repair stuff coming up. And hopefully some more fiery carnage. I know you'll love that. They're actually my highest rating videos. Well, some of them. Sparks and flames always get views. If you stick to that, you're pretty much set for fun on YouTube. Thanks for watching.